बे यार, टीवी में भी कुछ नहीं आ रहा है। लाइफ बिल्कुल बोरिंग हो गई। एक काम करती हूँ। So first of all, I am using this wet tissue just to clean my face. And then I realized that I have these disappointed pimples, so I have to cover all these pimples. So before applying any base, I am using this biotic moisturizer, and it is perfect for me, for my skin. So after applying moisturizer, I'm gonna apply it here on my overlid. So the concealer I am using is Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer. Now I'm going to set it with compact powder or loose powder. So here I am taking this Lakme Whitening Rose Loose Powder. So first of all, I'm gonna take light orange color. So I am starting with outer corner and then going towards inner and then just blending. The brush I am using here is round brush. Fluffy round. And then I am taking dark orange. Again starting with outer corner. Applying same color on lower lash line. Now I am taking same concealer just to cut my crease line, because I am doing cut crease, half cut crease today. First of all, I am drawing a line on my crease line. That's it. Now I am going to connect it and just I will fill. Done. Now I am going to apply white on the area where I have applied concealer, and I am taking matte white. And just tapping on it. Now I am taking light orange and just applying on the eyeball area. Just to blend both the colors, dark orange and white, I am applying it. Now I'm going to apply eyeliner. First of all, I am filling the lash line, एंड देन मैं इसको जस्ट एक शेप दे रही हूँ. और इसके बाद एक विंग क्रिएट करना है. Done with my liner. Now I'm going to apply mascara. And then I will apply falsies off camera, and I will do rest of my makeup off camera. So this is the half cut crease eye makeup. This kind of makeup helps you to make your eye look more bigger, because in this look we are just shifting up our crease line like I have done. तू न जाने पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा. This is the look that I have created today, and I love this look. Especially I love these kind of eyes and my lips matching to this eye makeup. In this video I have done so many things off camera, so if you want to learn those things you can watch my last videos and you can just learn. So overall the final look is just bomb. Final look is just amazing. Even I couldn't imagine that it will look this much amazing on me. Just for this look. एंड आई होप गाइज आपको भी ये लुक उतना ही अच्छा लगा हो जितना कि मुझे अच्छा लगा है. सो अगर आपको ये लुक अच्छा लगा, आप इस लुक को दोबारा अपने ऊपर क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं और आपने इस लुक से कुछ भी सीखा इस मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल से, तो अभी के अभी मेरे इस वीडियो को लाइक करना और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें आगे के नेक्स्ट वीडियोज़ के लिए, सो डैट में जितने भी नेक्स्ट वीडियोज़ हैं वो सब आप देख सकें और उन मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल से आप सीख सकें. एंड येस ऑब्वियसली अगर आप मेरे और मेकअप लुक्स देखना चाहते हैं तो आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पर भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं. यू कैन सर्च मी विद माई नेम दीपाली वर्मा मेकअप आर्टिस्ट. So you can see many more photos of my makeups